Hello everyone, this is Bankole Adeyemi again with the continuation of my earlier video on the use of Google Forms to create quizzes. Where I left off was how we can start the process of creating our quiz by firstly ensuring that we are using the email account that we want to use. The importance of this is to ensure that the form will be saved in the right drive, because at the end of the day, when you are done with the creation of your quiz, it will be saved in your drive. So if you are not using the email address you want to use, it will be saved in someone else's drive. Then we talked about this option here where we can make settings, the setting for quiz. Apart from that, how we can make an image here, I discussed all those in the first video. Even beyond that, I talked about how we can input our questions and the type of question, multiple choice, short answer question, and all that. So now we want to move on to, after setting our questions, what else can we do? Firstly, let's look at the icons we have at the bottom here. What are they used for? This icon, I have explained its use earlier on. If you want to add another question, this is question number 2. You want to write question number 3, you click on this icon. So it gives you room to type another question. Apart from that, this other icon is used for importing questions. Perhaps you have your questions already in another file somewhere else and you want to import it here. You use this icon. Then this one is to title your work. This one is for images. Perhaps you want to add image to a particular question. You use this one. And while this one is for video. So that is the way we use them. The last one here is for sections. If you want to create a section for your work, you click on this. For example, I want to make my work to be in 2 sections. I've written section 1. Now I want to create section 2. I'll click on this icon. So as you can see, after section 1, continue to next section. So this is section 2, untitled section. So I will have to title it by clicking on it. May write section B, for example, and you may include the instruction: fill in the gaps, just for instance, and I'm done. So to add a question, as usual, I'll click on my plus sign. So I'll begin my questions and all that. So assuming that is what I want to do, let me just write one question here, just a single question. That should be question number 3. Say dash dash is the father of computer. If it's a multiple choice question, I'll click on multiple choice as usual, multiple choice. Then my options can say Charles Babbage option B. Second option, let's say Barack Obama. Option C, Michael Jordan or Michael Jackson. And lastly, let's say Cristiano Ronaldo. So which one is the right answer? I'll click on this icon like I showed. How many points? 2 points, 2. And the right answer is Charles Babbage. So that's it, and I'm done. Now I am done with my questions, for example. So what is the next thing I do? The next thing you do before you send it is to come here, click on this option icon, then click on preview. That is, you want to look at it. How will it look like to your students that want to write the question? This is the way it's going to look like. So you look at it. If you are okay with it, then you are good to go. But if you are not okay with it, you want to edit something, you click on this pencil icon so you can edit it. But let us assume I am okay with my question. So what is the next thing for me to do? The next thing for me to do is to send it. I am okay with it. So how do I send my question to my students? You can send it in several ways, but the very first way is that you click on this icon, send. It will give you this interface. Do you want to send it as an email or as a link? If your students have email addresses, it's better you use email. But if they don't have, but they are on WhatsApp, you can use the link option. So you click on the link, you come here, click on shorten the all, that is the address, then you click on copy. After you've done that, you now come here, you click on copy. So once you do this, you can now send it to anywhere you want to send it to. Let's, for example, want to send it to a WhatsApp group. My students are on a particular WhatsApp group, so I'll go to my WhatsApp page. Okay, I didn't open it before. My WhatsApp page. WhatsApp. So for example, these are my contacts on the WhatsApp. For example, I want to send it to this particular student, or I have a group that I've created that my students are in. I just want to send it there. You click on that particular student or that group, then on the type bar, you can paste it there. But even before you paste, you may want to give them an instruction. That what is the instruction? Answer the question, or you simply write computer test. So enter, then you click on, you hold it down to paste it. So your all has been pasted. After that, you click on send. So this way, it will be sent to the WhatsApp group. That is the very first way. The other way is that you can send it back to your Google Classroom. You can send it back to your Google Classroom. How do we do that? I have told you that after you finish creating your quiz, it will automatically be saved in your drive. So you just go to your Google Classroom. This is my Google Classroom. It's loading. Now it has fully loaded. So which of these classes do I intend to give the question to? Let's say this class, Better Day Basic. So you click on the class. You click on Classwork. I've explained how you send assignment and classwork to them. Just click on the Classwork icon. So you want to add a classwork or assignment, you click on this plus sign. If it's assignment, let's say it's assignment. For example, you click on assignment. Now you can type here computer test. Then you come here, because it's not something you don't want to type the question. The question is already in a form that the student will just answer online. So you come here, click on attachment. So it will ask you where you want to pick the attachment from, the attached file. The file you want to attach, where do you want to pick it from? You pick it here. Or you click on link, whichever one. But let me click on this one because it's already in your drive. So you go to your drive, my drive, click on my drive. So this is where I am. This is my drive. These are my forms. You can see them. These are my forms. So I'll click on this one. This is the exact form. I'll click on it. Then click on select. So it will automatically come here. So this is it here. So after that, I click on send. So in this way, the question has been sent to my class. So that's the way you send questions to your class. In the next video, God willing, I'm going to show you how the question is going to look like in your class, how your students are going to see the question, after they've answered the question, how you are going to see they've answered it, and how they are going to get the report sent back to them. Till I come your way again, I say stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.